So if you are a new entrepreneur and getting started with your business, this is an important video for you that will change your business dynamics. And if you are an existing business owner and you're still struggling with sales and generating profit, this is another great video for you that will transform your business. Now, if you are very new to my channel, I've recorded so many videos on how to position yourself and your business in the marketplace so that people will see you as a unique piece, not with they'll start comparing with other competitors. Now, coming to this video is about how low ticket offers are actually killing many business owners. It doesn't matter whether you're selling online course or any physical product, but how actually low ticket offer are killing the business owners. When you start the business, what are the business owners think is that in order to beat my competition, I need to sell my product at a lower price and give better value to my customers. Now, because of the reason when the battle goes on pricing, eventually everyone keeps on reducing the charges. At the end, no one makes any profits. And that is why it is important for you. How can you avoid low ticket offers and how can you charge high ticket offers that are going to transform your business? Now, if you are very new to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you'll get more updates on these kind of topics. Right, without wasting time, let's jump into the 5 strategies that are killing your business by doing low ticket business. The number 1 point is low ticket offer can kill your business because you're devaluing your product and business. Now, this is very common for myth among the business owners that they need to sell low ticket products in order to capture the market. But because you're selling a product at low ticket, it's actually automatically, psychologically, it will devalue the product or your business in your customer mind. People don't see the value in products that are available for cheap, right? So do not sell low ticket offer, and even if you're selling low ticket offer, make sure that you have some offer which is high ticket that will gonna help people a lot. People who pay money are going to pay attention. People who pay attention are going to take actions, and that is where all the results comes into you as a testimonials or case studies, because people have that put that commitment which is high ticket money, right? So number 2 is stop selling commodities. Now, this is a big challenge for many people. Like, everyone in the market is a leadership coach, everyone in the market is a spiritual coach, life coach, or marketing coach, digital marketers, career coach, or parenting coach. So if you see, everyone is a commodity. Let me tell you with an example. If you look at a gold bar, okay, 10 grams of gold bar. If you go into the market, 10 gram of gold bar is available, or gold coin is available for 50,000 rupees at the market price. Now, you can't keep upselling like, okay, my gold coin is high quality. This is mined from some whatever you tell. At the end, the marketplace decide that the gold coin worth is 50,000 rupees. Now, this is what the commodity. Oh, I'm a business coach. I'm a life coach or leadership coach. Everyone, you go out in the market, if you start competing with these people, at the end, people will always compare with, okay, this shop or that shop, and they'll obviously go to the shop where the commodity is available at the lower price. Now, let's turn that gold coin into ornament or jewelry, where you can create some a beautiful design, and you can upsell or you can sell that product at any high ticket price by with the design or with the mixture of the materials or with the gems that you put. And this is what the USP means. This is a unique selling point. Hey, in this shop I can get the good designs, and what are the price that they sell are really worth. And if your customer thinks that, okay, this is the shop I need to go where I can get good design and the value for the money that I put, that is where you can charge and you can command the money whatever you deserve. So stop being commodity, stop being just another coach in the marketplace, and start creating your own USP points and look at for, okay, this is my framework, this is my process, which is unique for me, which is gonna get you results. That is where you can make more money. Number 3rd point is, when you're selling low ticket, you will obviously get annoying customers with low commitment. So let's take about high ticket products. So high ticket product require high ticket investments, like more money they invest. That means people are more committed because they want to get back ROI as soon as possible. In order to get that return on investment, they'll take actions. Now, if you are selling for low ticket product, there is nothing much that effort that they need to do or to take because it's a low ticket. And based on my experience, based on my client's experience, what I observe is people who purchase low ticket products have that entitled mindset that they have to get everything for the amount that they paid, and also they are very annoying and they create a lot of customer support ticket because they are not resourceful. First of all, they seek for every help. People who pay more money, they are resourceful. They make things happen at hook or crook. They take help from anywhere because they have put that commitment in investment in themselves. So, and also the low commitment, because the low ticket, whatever you charge, it doesn't matter for many people. Whether it could be $20 or 2,000 rupees, 3,000 rupees, there's a low commitment because that's not a big amount. So obviously when you're doing low commitment, low ticket offers, you will not be able to produce enough results for your clients. And that is the biggest roadblock for the growth of your business. Number 4th point that I'm going to share with you is customers who buy low price items often expect low prices in the future. Now this is what you are picturizing or you are showing to the market. No matter how much your pain is, no matter how much money is, I'm going to charge this much only. And what happens? You are training your customer that this business owner or this person is going to give a lot of value at the low price only. And that is what also kills your business, because that's what you're priming their mind. That's what you're preparing their mind, that expect low ticket products from me in the future as well. And because of this mindset that you are giving to your customers, whenever you want to sell a high ticket product, people always start hating you. Right? Your customers will hate you, and which is good thing for you, but most entrepreneurs think that is a bad thing, because if my customer hate me, how am I going to grow my business? That is good. You need to remove that low ticket mindset people from as a customers from your business, who are draining you, sucking your blood, and not giving you value for the time, commitment, effort that you're putting in getting the results for your customers. Right? So I'm not also saying that you need to only sell high ticket products. You can start selling low ticket products in order to get that like little bit committed people, not the freebies. You can charge some amount, but at the end immediately sell high ticket products, so that people, like, you will filter the people who are low committed, and people who are high committed obviously come and put more money in themselves, investing in themselves, and you will see good results as well. Number 5th point that you need to understand is it is very, very hard to build a business or brand by selling low ticket products. Now, what is a low ticket product? Because when you sell low ticket product, you will never have a profit margin. When you don't have any profit margin, you can't spend money on ads. You can't give salaries or pay to the people who are very talented, because a talent, you need to pay some money, because you are limiting your beliefs, are limiting your business, that only low ticket products will work in the business because I want to capture as many people as I want, and that is stopping or slowing your growth of low ticket. And because of this, you're not able to make enough profits, and because of that, you are not able to invest back in your business. And by paying removing off or delegating your stuff to there are a lot of talented people out there, jobless in India, who are ready to work, and you are not capturing that market or leveraging the people time, money, effort, skills or experience, and you can't grow as a solopreneur, because this is what the problem with the solopreneur charge low based on my experience, because they want to do everything. They want to do selling, they want to do marketing, they want to do delivery, they want to do operations, and this is what holding you back. Start selling high ticket, grow your business, invest back money in your business, invest like money in the talent, give good pay to your talented people who can off your load of doing a lot of stuff for you, and this is how you grow your business in the future as well. So I hope you enjoyed these 5 points, strategies that are going to help you in order to avoid the low ticket mindset and start giving value. When you charge high ticket, you can have the resources, you can have the money to give greatest value to your clients, and that is when you can produce results very fast and easier. All right, so I hope you enjoyed, and this is what the value you might got. If you got the value, please type in the chat box what is that one thing or one takeaway that you got from this video that is going to help you in the business in future. All right, so make sure to click the subscribe button below and join my YouTube channel so that you'll get more value like this that will going to help your business to make more profits. All right, I'll see you with another video. Thanks for joining in.